Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming one clear niche and 3 target audiences, then map 10 related products or services you can promote. Once done, prioritize merchants that fit your content tone and audience intent. This saves time when applying. Make sure to note preferred commission structures, percentage versus flat fee, and whether you need recurring revenue. Now gather your metrics: traffic sources, email size, and engagement rates. Use those numbers when contacting affiliate managers to appear credible and increase. You now search affiliate networks and merchant sites, focusing on 3 to 4 major platforms plus direct programs from brands you listed. Once you find candidates, vet each offer by checking EPC, cookie length, return policy, and payout thresholds. These details determine real income potential. Make sure to review partner testimonials and sample creatives to confirm brand fit. When you have shortlists, reach out to affiliate managers with tailored pitch lines and your metrics. This moves you from browser to approved partner. You apply using a concise pitch that highlights your unique value, traffic stats, and conversion examples. Once approved, run controlled tests, 1 to 2 creatives across 1 or 2 channels for 7 to 14 days to gather baseline data. Make sure to track clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition, then double down on winning creatives and scale slowly. If earnings are low, troubleshoot by raising traffic quality, changing offers, or negotiating better terms with the manager to improve long-term ROI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.